Jawaharlal Nehru was born on November 14, 1889. Stop. His father was a wealthy Brahmin, lawyer and politician from Kashmir who had settled in Allahabad in modern Uttar Pradesh. Stop. The younger Nehru graduated from Cambridge University and returned to India in 1912 with a degree in the natural sciences and qualified to practice law as a barrister. Stop. Over the next 30 years, he rose to become the top political leader of the Indian National Congress Party and its struggle for independence from Britain. Stop. He was jailed 7 times. Stop para. In 1919, Nehru joined the Indian National Congress, the principal nationalist organization of India, led by Mohandas K. Gandhi. Stop. Between 1921 and 1945, he was imprisoned 9 times by the British administration for his activities for Indian independence. Stop. Para, the Indian nationalist movement brought him into contact with the whole social spectrum of India, particularly peasants, and he came to the conclusion that the political struggle in India must also aim at social equity and an end to mass poverty. Stop para. After independence, he served as India's first Prime Minister from 1947 until he died. Stop. The Indian Constituent Assembly gave India a federal constitution, but effectively power was concentrated at the center and lay largely in the hands of Nehru. Stop. It was he who virtually determined the shape of India's domestic and foreign policy. Stop para. He was also a great internationalist and one of the founders of the non aligned movement. Stop. He set India on the path of democracy and nurtured its institution, parliament, multi party system, independent judiciary, and free press. Stop. He encouraged Panchayati Raj institution. Stop. Para. His vision was that of extensive application of science and technology and industrialization for better living and liberation from the clutches of poverty, superstition, and ignorance. Stop. Education to him was very important for internal freedom and fearlessness. Stop. Para. It was Nehru who insisted if the world was to exist at all, it must exist as one. Stop. He was generous and gracious. Stop. Emotional sensitivity and intellectual passion infused his writings, giving them unusual appeal and topicality. Even today, stop. He was awarded Bharat Ratna in 1955. Stop. He never forgot India's great cultural heritage and liked to combine tradition with modernity. Stop para. Nehru was a prolific writer. Stop. His discovery of India, written while in prison in 1944, and his autobiography are among his best known works. Stop. His